In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the material swapper plugin. I'll just use it to show you how it works initially. You select the surface you want. If you hover over it, it'll tell you selected material is that. So if I click that, that's now loaded to the brush. If I go to the bottle here now, make sure the bottle is selected. And then I swap the bottle and you see that it has swapped out that material. So let's do undo. Let's select this material and change the worktop. That's the way it works. So now, how do you actually, that's the general principle of it, but it has a few features hidden underneath the bonnet, so to speak. So first of all, one of the things that used to bother me is if I had to change the color of the island unit, but the rest of the kitchen is another color, I would select the replacing tool and I would select this and say replace it with say the white here. Okay, oh sorry, I did the wrong way around. I select the white and I want to replace this color. Okay, so it's done it, but that's not what I wanted. I only wanted these units here changed and not the whole scene. Okay, so how do you work with it? Well, in this tool is if you select what you want, first of all, the faces in that selection will be changed only and not the whole model. So again, if I select the tool, I load my brush, my paint, that's how I look at it, select it, and then I have to click on the selection and it will just change those only. So that's it basically in a nutshell. Things you have to watch out for, say for example, if I want to change this floor here, so I go, say I want to change it to granite, I select the worktop, I go over and select the floor, but the floor is already showing the same material as the worktop. And when I click on it, nothing happens. Well, this issue is caused by Z fighting. Basically, my floor is on another layer. If I go in here, there's two layers on the same level. So let's go to tags, and that's the plan. So there's a plan here that's on the same level, and it's picking up that. And I've already colored in the plans, but if I delete that or make the floor a little bit higher, then you won't get that Z fighting, and then you'll be able to change the material. So let's try that now. So I just deleted the other layer. So let's select that, and then you see it'll work, you see. Right, let's see how it works on transparency colors. So go in here, go into the bottle. Oh yeah, here's another wee thing. I can also go in here, and in this group I can select a material from outside the group, say out here. So let me select that and apply it to the bottle, which works. I can select here inside the group, apply it to the bottle, which also works. So beforehand it didn't actually select anything outside the group, which now it does, so it's an update version. So that's about 4 little things in it. So how handy is the tool? It will save you ages of going around painting stuff manually, and you can just isolate what you need to paint. So let's do a wee bit more for the sake of it. I want to undo everything. Okay, I want to change the color of my sink. Obviously you don't have a green sink. I select the green sink. I then fill my brush, make my selection, say white here, and then apply it to the sink. So that works in that situation. if I go in here, I wonder if it'll work in this situation. I don't think this will work, but I'll see. If I go in here, make a selection, select that, will it work? I did it because there's too many groups and layers going on in here, so I'm not quite sure how that would work. So let me see, select that and apply it to that. I may have to go inside the group, make a selection like that. Yeah, so it worked like that. Just going to make your selection. So it's nested in so many groups in here. It will work on certain levels. So you just go in and select the faces that you need. So say for example, here I've got this floor, and you see where it said fighting. Well, a way to overcome that would be just to hide, just to cut Control X for a second. Select that, apply it to your floor. I must have selected the bottle there. Well, make sure I select the right one. Select that, apply it to the floor. Yep, it's right this time. And then just do Control Shift V, paste it back in place. That's another way to work. But said fighting, probably the best thing to do is just make them a bit different. Let me go back. Go into your floor here, push pull, go up 1 mil, maybe something like that. And then do your change. So go that, and that would work as well. Well, thanks for watching the video. Read the comments, and there's a new plugin coming out there every week. I've got a whole pile of new ones here. So a face splitter, invert selection, isolate, and more to come. Thanks for watching.